Now, programming type used in turning application. In CNC lathe, the programming can be done using either diameter or radius method, which are explained. Program type used in turning: diameter based programming, radius based programming. What is diameter based programming? In diameter based programming mode, normally the value of diameter is specified in column X. Therefore, in this mode, for 1 mm of programmed movement of tool, there is actual 0.5 mm movement of tool in the radial direction. So you can understand, program 1 mm of tool, but actual moment of tool is 0.5 mm in radial direction. Means here diameter of the tool is to be considered. Then radius based programming mode, normally the value of radius is specified in column for x axis. Therefore, in this mode, for 1 mm programmed moment of tool, there will be actually 1 mm moment of tool in a radial direction. Then sub program or subroutines. Sub-program are also called as mini programs or subroutines. Sub-programs are used wherever repetition of part program is required. For example, boring cycle. In sub-programs are stored, the sub-programs are stored at the end of main program and can be called at any time and for any number of times during the execution of main program. Use of sub-programs or subroutines helps in shortening the program length and also prevents the repetition of statements where same machining features are required more than once. Then macros. Macros means it is also called as parametric subordinates, subroutines in machining. It is necessary to use the same type of operations with same steps but with variation in dimension. Such similar steps with dimensional variations can be converted into parametric subroutines called as macros. Then canned cycle. Canned cycle consists of a series of motion repeated number of times, like drilling, boring, and tapping. The canned cycle in CNC program are also called as multiple repetitive cycles. Commonly used canned cycles. Some of the frequently used canned cycle are given below in regular programming format. G81 drilling cycle, G74 stock removal cycle, G71 multiple stock removal cycle, G72 finishing cycle, G78 multiple threading tapping cycle, G85 boring cycle. G81 means drilling cycle. Drilling cycle, motion of drill bit, rapid approach of workpiece, drill at feed rate, rapid return to initial position. So Here you can see in the figure rapid approach of drill bit from this point to this point, and this clearance plane, and this rapid, and this feed, and this breakthrough. Now format of canned cycle for drilling operation: GN G81 XYZRF. What is this way that we will see? Here you can see G10, you know that this is sequence number. G81 can drilling cycle, and X10 Y20 means coordinates of point where drilling is to be performed on x-axis and y-axis. Z30 depth of hole to be drilled. R2 position of clearance plane. F feed rate. S speed of spindle 600 rpm. In program you will write like this: N10 G81 X0 Z30 F100 S600 means drilling cycle with drill from Z10 to Z30 and feed rate 100 mm per minute, and speed is 600 rpm. G74 stock removal in facing. To N10 G00 X40 Z1 means in x-axis 40 and z-axis is 1, and N20 G74 X30 Z60 feed rate is 50, and D is the drilling machining code. The stock removal cycle with incremental depth of 1 mm, feed rate of 50 millimeter per minute, and diameter reduced from X40 to X30. Now stock removal in turning. This thing will be detailed in program when we will do the programming, that we will see in details. Here just an introductory part. So G73 stock removal in turning. So this plus z axis plus x axis, and this diameter is 30, 40 and this 60, 1 mm clearance. So N10 G00 X40 Z60, this Z60 and X40 here, and feed rate 50, machine number is D1. So stock removal cycle with depth of 1 mm, feed rate of 50 mm per minute, and diameter reduced from 40 to 30. So initial position is Z X here, and then it is reduced to 30. Similarly, multiple threading, cutting, tapping cycle. Here N10 G78 X19.09256 Z30 10 K2.4572, feed rate 50, machine name D1 A60. So angle of the thread is 60. Threading cycle with minor diameter, this one. Thread height is this one, and thread angle, minor diameter is 19.9 256 millimeter. Height of the thread is 2.4572 millimeter, and eighth is 60 degree angle. Thread angle is 60 degree. Depth of cut is 1 mm, and feed rate 50 millimeter per minute. Now G85 boring cycle. So N1 G85 U 0.5 W1, N20 G85 P10 Q10 U0 W0 F15. Beginning of the phase boring cycle, and boring cycle will sub-program P10 Q10 for calling finishing cycle wherever required with feed rate 15 mm per minute. So these are the individual functions or individual operations. When we will see the complete program, complete writing of the program, there is a job or there is a product, at that time we will better understand. So I will try in next lecture to make the program